LG Electronics Gran Thin and Light Laptop LG Gran 13Z980-A.AAS7U1. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. This laptop is pretty amazing. I've been using it for a little under a month and it has not disappointed me. The weight is quite convenient, especially considering how much I carry it around. The fingerprint sensor is pretty quick, though sometimes it asks me to place my finger on it a second time due to the computer misreading it. Having two backlighting options is pretty cool, especially if you want to save a bit of battery. With this product, however, that will hardly be a problem. I have gone as long as 2 entire days without charging it when using it for document editing and video browsing. It can handle light video editing, but that's going to drain the battery a bit quicker. Pros: battery, weight, processing power. Cons: it scratches relatively easily. I've gotten a few, barely noticeable ones by just pulling it in and out of my backpack. I'd recommend getting a sleeve or skin for it. Update: I just got a sleeve for it. If you decide to buy one online, keep in mind that the bezels on this device are pretty thin, so a 12-inch sleeve fits a bit better than a 13-inch one. 10-hour battery life while actively in use. I use a fairly processor-intensive piece of software for work, and while using this next to others with a variety of laptops from brand new Dell $200, $500 specials and even a gaming laptop that the guy bought just back in December. This thing kicks all their ass in performance. Not to mention the super lightweight, and the awesome screen. The touchscreen function is something that I got and figured I would never use. Nope. I use it all the time. The keyboard is amazing and the trackpad works great. The only problem I've had is the right-click functionality is hit or miss at times. I actually find typing on this laptop preferable to the desktop keyboard I'm using to write this review. And it's made for gaming. I will admit that the trade-off for performance over storage concerned me at first, but then I don't intend this to be my primary machine. If you intend it for that. Well, there are better machines for one, but also I would invest in a 1 TB NVMe drive and take advantage of the expansion built in. Just keep in mind that I think opening it may void the warranty. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.